G'day lip rippers, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody has had an awesome week. Well, we're out up at top of the creek up here, got the kayak out, bass fishing. As you can see behind me, it's pretty dirty. We had 120 mils of rain less than a week ago, just one big downpour for a few hours overnight, but it was enough to make the system quite dirty up the top end here. So I don't know what this is going to be like, but anyway, we're out giving it a go. Beautiful afternoon, a little bit windy, a little bit overcast, so hopefully there's some bass around. So we're going to start with some crankbaits. As usual, we got a bunch of lures, so we'll just cycle through them, see what they want to eat today, and hopefully bang a few bass. So I hope you guys enjoy the episode. Like, share, subscribe, all that juicy good stuff, baby. And let's get into it. I've got some tins as well, drinking some, what have we got today? We got some lemon squash with a little bit of vodka in it. So these things are absolutely delicious, really refreshing. So even if there's no fish around, I'm gonna have some fun anyway. So anyway guys, hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. Probably thinking why this video is called Follow the Lights. Well, my mate Dave came down here a couple of weeks ago at night time and went all the way down, and he actually got lost on the way back. Now I know this area pretty good, but when it's night time it's hard to see obviously. So what I'm going to do is hang some little fairy lights, or bee lights in this case, up in a tree here, so we know it's near the little near the entrance. So follow the lights home. I might chuck them up on this log here, I reckon. I just thought of it and thought that was probably a pretty smart idea. I do have head torches. There is signal here, so I can map it as well, but just for the sake of a bit of video content, let's do this. There we go. Turn the lights on, and I'll see you guys in a few hours, hopefully. Alright, so we've got our lights up. We're going to head up stream. Last time I fished this, you guys wouldn't have seen the content. A massive thunderstorm came through. I got smashed by hail. It was actually quite scary. Heaps of lightning. But we ended up catching a few fish. Now, it wasn't very active along here. It was up a little bit further. There's like a little island there, and from the island upwards was really, really good. So I'm just going to get on the foot pedals, sink a couple of tins, and I'll meet you guys up where we were catching fish, and we'll just start throwing some crankbaits around. Let's quickly go through my gear while you guys are here. You guys have seen this a billion times, but 100 size Shimano Inkatsu bait casters, 8-pound braid. These have got 16-pound leader. Got 3 to 6 kilo sticks there, Major Craft, just nice entry-level bait casters. I don't really rock anything too expensive for this type of fishing, just because it's easy to break stuff and drop gear and everything. So, and I've got 2 HU 150 crankbaits on. I've got one in a 2 meter diver and one in the 0.7 diver. So I'll just cycle between the two. I've chosen these 2 colors because I knew the water's going to be a bit dirty, and the chartreuse is always really good for bass in my past, so I've had quite a good success rate on those. So yeah, if it looks like a deeper bank, I'll throw the deeper crank. If it looks like a shallower bank, we'll throw that. And yeah, we got top water, we got chatterbaits, we got a bit of everything. So last time I was here, they were really loving the crankbaits, so got both of those tied on. Hopefully we don't lose them because they're 30 bucks a throw. And yeah, we'll just get up around this corner and we'll get into it. Oh, it's stuck on the timber. There we go, we're off again. Yep, there's one. There we go. There we go. First fish for the afternoon. Oh, he's only just pinned. He's not very big, so it doesn't matter if we lose him. Oh, he's got some sores on him. Oh, he's just pinned in the gills. Oh, there you go, guys. First bass for the afternoon. He is super beaten up. Look at all the sores on him. Wow, they're all fresh too. That'd just be from that all the dirty fresh water we've had last few days. So hopefully they're not all like that. I'd like to catch a nice big bass for a photo today. So but anyway, looks like he's got chicken pox. Anyway, number one. Bye. Alright, we'll get back in there. It's obviously only about 2 meters deep, this bank here. I can feel it hitting all the timber. What I like about these cranes is you see that big bib, it's just bouncing off the timber. And a lot of the time when it hits the timber, the bass will be on the other side of it and just absolutely smoke it. So anyway, that was at least a couple of different fish in there. That first one we hooked was definitely a different fish because he felt hooked. So we'll get back in there and hopefully catch a bigger, more pretty fish. Oh, we're off though, we're off. It's a good start. At least they're active. I think I deserve a drink after that. It was hard work, mate. Cheers, guys. Alright, we'll just pepper this little island for a bit. And the front of it's really good too. There's like an inlet in between the two little islands there. And there's usually fish sitting all around here, so we'll just keep firing in there and hopefully get a couple more bites. Oh, at the boat. Right up the kayak. Oh, he's a bit prettier. About the same size. And he's still got a couple of sores, but nowhere near as many. Anyway, that's the next cast in. How good's that? 2 from 2. A little tack up. Bye. Alright, hatchery casts. Can we do it? Hooks are all good, leaders all good. Sick. 2 from 2. That's a good way to start the afternoon, isn't it? Right at the boat too. They're not even right up in there, they're just like here. Alright, let's see. Let's get a hat trick. Oh, good cast. Come on, give me another one. Oh, yep. Hat trick cast. Oh, this guy feels tiny. Very small fish. That's 3 from 3. That's awesome, man. I never get hat trick casts. I'm too excited. I never get hat trick casts. So that is sick. Cool. Oh, that's 3 from 3. Hat trick cast to start the afternoon. Just going to rub that. Oh, where he spiked me on the bottom of the fish. See, dude. Oh. Don't know if it's an old wives tail, but it's supposed to help the stinging and also stop the bleeding. So anyway, can't hurt. That's the way I'll look at it. Not as much as the fish actually spiking you in the first place. There's 3 from 3. I can't ask for anything better. 4 from 4. Oh, you got me twice. Oh. Alright, that's awesome. Surely I won't get 4, will I? What an awesome start to the afternoon. I'm stoked. Come on, give me 4. It's hitting the timber. Yep. Oh, no way. That's sick. Holy dooly, how many's there? It's so good. This lure is so good for this type of fishing. Like I was saying, you can feel it hit the timber and the bass just come and find it and just crunch it. 4 from 4. It's almost a red fin, look at that. Alright guys. Ooh. Alright guys, that's 4 from 4. How unreal was that? I don't know if we're going to get a good looking bass up here at the moment, but anyway. He's pretty long actually. I reckon he's probably 30, 36, 37. He's really quite long, look at that. That's awesome, 4 from 4. That's unreal. Bye. What do you reckon guys? Chuck in a comment below. Right now before you see this action, am I going to get 5 from 5? I reckon it's a good possibility, I might. Check that leader's all good. That's sick. Another drink. Oh, what a way to start the afternoon. Surely it's not going to get any better. That's sick. Alright, let's get back in there. Well, my thumb stopped bleeding and it's not hurting anymore, so maybe that does help. Alright, 5 from 5. Let's see if anyone commented and was right. Oh no! I got it in a tree. Oh no, it's tangled. Oh no! I don't know if you guys are going to count that as a cast, but anyway, we got 4 from 4. Let's see if I can get another one in there though. That's better. That sucks. It's hitting timber now. Yep. There we go. That would have been 5 from 5. Oh, this is sick. I always just sit here all afternoon, drink vodka and catch bass. Sounds great to me. Another tiny little guy. See it, bud. I'll flick him up there. I don't want to spook what's ever happening down there. I don't want to spook that, so I'm just hoping there's a big dog down there. Surely there is. That's, what was that? 5 fish and I don't even know anymore. Let's just keep fishing, eh? Oh, hit it again. Oh, there we go. Oh no, there's a few fish down there. As soon as they come out in that main channel, hey? Surely this is going to get eaten. Yeah. Oh, that's a better one. That's a better one. That's a better one. Still not huge. It feels better. Oh, he's tiny. Jeez, he went hard. Oh, there's another one. Heaps of them along that island bit, hey? Not too bad, but he's not very big. Definitely punched above his weight there. Be the second biggest for the afternoon though. Oh, there we go. Number 6. I'll get rid of that guy. We'll quickly make a cast for that one that just busted up on surface. Just in there. Quickly pick him up. Quickly pick him up. It sounded good on paper. Oh, we're up to 6. Yep, another one. Another tiny guy. But I don't want to stay here if they're this small. I don't like catching fish this small because they're not very fun, and I don't like damaging the small ones because they're the ones we want to catch in 5 years' time. So yep, there's a fish. Oh my god, he carves so quick. I don't think he's that big. Jeez, he went quick. Wow, he must have been just carving up the bank before he got my lure, hey? Because I cast there and then in a split second he's over in this one. He's not very big, but we'll take him. There we go, number 8 I think. Oh, actually, that's probably the biggest of the afternoon. Jeez, man, he went super hard. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's definitely biggest for the afternoon. He'd be, oh man, I reckon he's 39. He might even go 40. Pretty decent fish. There's not much in him at the moment. But anyway, that was great fun, man. Absolutely crunched that. Textbook bass spot that was. Anyway, we'll get this guy back in and keep on keeping on, man. That was good fun. Cheers, mate. Thanks. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, whoa. Jeez. Well, there we go, there's one on the shallow crank. I felt him hit that twice then. That's number 9, I think. Whoa, he's only just pinned. Upside down. There he is, only a little fella, number 9. He's actually probably the best looking one of the afternoon. A little bit of red and blood on his fin there, but besides that, he's alright. Only attacked. Teeny tacker though. Bye. What? Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, had a few casts in there. Finally got one to commit. There we go, that's double digits, baby. That's number 10. Number 10. He's not a bad one either. He didn't go very hard for his size. Oh mate, he might be fish of the day. Ah! Bro, got me good. Oh man. Oh, mate, I reckon he's tied. I reckon he's tied for the best fish of the afternoon. Actually, you know what? He is the best fish of the afternoon. He's about the same size as the other one, but he has no sores at all. Not a single imperfection. He is gorgeous. That's the fish we want. He didn't go very hard though. Be pretty close to a 40. I'm going to call him a 38, 39. Yeah, very surprised. He should have went a lot harder than that, but anyway. That's number 10 for the afternoon.